This is another question from chapter pie chart. The pie chart shows the different types of television programs that 30 people like. Here this pie chart shows that, or we say that this data is of 30 pupils and how many pupils like which program of TV. Here 10% of pupils like travel shows, 20% like animal documentaries, and 40% like dramas. Rest of the people like cartoons. So we have to solve these three parts. Part A is, which was more popular, dramas or animal documentaries? So this part is more easy. Here in part A, it is given that dramas are 40% and animal documentaries are 20%. So this is very easy that 40% people like dramas and 20% people like animal documentaries. So 40% is greater than 20%. That means dramas are more popular. So we write here as answer, dramas are more popular. Okay, now part B. Part B is, what fraction of pupils chose travel shows? Here travel shows is given in 10%, that is in percentage. We have to convert it into fraction. So we write here first its actual value, that is travel shows is equal to 10%. Now we have to convert this value into fraction because we have to mention the answer in fraction. So you know that 10% can be written in fraction as, this is 10% means 10 out of 100. We write it as 10 out of 100. Now this can be simplified more by cancelling their zeros, 0 this one and 0 this one. This will become 1 over 10, or we can read table of 10 on both numbers. 10, 1 is the 10 and 10 is the 100. So answer will be 1 over 10. This is answer of part B, 1 over 10 as fraction of 10%. Okay students, now part C is, what percentage of pupils chose cartoons? Here you know that this complete circle is, this complete pie chart or complete circle is 100%. Everything when it is complete, it is 100% in percentage. So this pie chart or this circle is also 100%. So its parts are in percentage, that is 10%, 20%, 40%, but this portion is not given. So you know that when we subtract these all percentages from 100%, we can calculate the cartoons value. So we write here that cartoons are equal to, we mention the complete circle or complete pie chart as 100%, and we subtract all these numbers from that. So we subtract or minus 10%, then minus this value, that is 20%, then minus this value, that is 40%. Now there are two ways that we can subtract these values step by step from 100, or we add these negative numbers, then we subtract that from 100, both are correct. For example, if we subtract step by step these numbers from 100, so 100 minus 10, 90, 90 minus 2, 70, and 70 minus 40, it will become 30%. Okay, and another way, if we add these negative numbers and subtract from 100, we write here as this 100% as it is. And when we add these three negative numbers 10, 20 and 40, these negative numbers will become 70%. So when we subtract 70 from 100, it will also become 30. Answer is same. That means cartoons are 30%, or 30% pupils chose cartoons. We write here as 30% pupils chose cartoons. Okay students, this is answer of these three parts. Hope you understand. If you have any query, please ask me, and we will move to next lesson inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.